Hi everyone. Well, I don't know what to say, but my little Miss Girl here has been, check her out. She's like, how do I get out? How do I get out of here, Mum? Like, I want to come on out. I don't want to be in here. And that's how Apani's been. I've just had her out yesterday. I think it was yesterday. And I did a video with her. And she's still like insistent, very much. I got you very much insistent on coming on out. Like, there is just for Apani every day, and I'm talking, it's not just every day. Are you right, darling? Are you okay? Hope you can see down there with her. But every day she's just been demanding to come on out, and everything is perfect in here that I can see. She's been in it long enough, but you know, she's getting a taste for the outdoors, and she's like, I am really digging the outdoors, so I would really like to come on out. I don't want to stay in here at all. So every day she is coming on out. So I'm just going to get a good grip of her, because I don't want her to fall, or me to. No, it's not about her falling, although sometimes I wonder, she's a real little go-getter, this little one. Or so long as Mum doesn't fall. Like, check this out. I'm up on the couch and I have to step over this, and not as flexible as I once used to be. Actually, I've forgotten what that was like, being very flexible. That was many years ago. Now, I mean, I wouldn't say that I'm terrible, but I'm certainly not how I used to be, like when I was 20 or whatever. I'm getting closer to that 60. Unbelievable when I think about it, that I'm already there. And I remember sitting there, that was so far away from where I was, but it's come around really fast. But as you can see, now she's happy. You're spoilt. You are so spoilt. You're getting as bad as Lily, except in a smaller package. And that's all she is she's a Lily in a smaller package. And I actually had her on the jungle gym yesterday, and you should have seen her trying to get off there and come back over here, and she was doing everything, and I had to keep moving and turning it and making sure she couldn't get, you know, climb up onto the computer, or she was driving me nuts yesterday with her insistence on being around me, which is great. You know, that's what you want. That is absolutely what you want in your snake, is one that just loves being with you. I'm going to actually put her onto the jungle gym, and you'll laugh. Like, oh, hang on, I can't do two things at once, I guess. And we're going over here, and it gets darker as I go, of course. There is Jed, my Labradoodle, for those who've not met Jed before. And Max, he's always there. If not there, he's on my bed. And I'll come back because I'm going to have to lift this jungle gym. She's, don't think you can see her, but she's got really good grip around my arm, and she wants the camera again. Here she goes. Always on the cam. So I'll be back when I get better lighting, guys, and my finger stops going in front of the camera. as well. So back in a minute. Okay, here we go. Well, hopefully. Here we go. There you go, miss. She'll disappear. She'll totally disappear on here. Because I've added more branchy, like leaves and plants and stuff to this jungle gym. Which is yesterday, actually, I was fiddling around and decided, see, that's what I mean, she disappears. So I might put this light on so that you might be able to see her a little bit better. But yeah, I decided to add some more plants to it. And there she is, over there. Where's your head? I can't find your head. Where are you, Missy Moo? Here she comes. Well, she's coming around there, I think. Somewhere. Ah, there she is. Playing hide and seek with Mum. My camera's all blurry. Hey? But this is where I had her yesterday because I can see her and I can watch where she's at. And she was coming up on this computer, coming down and then coming over to me. So then I put it back again and I just kept doing this on and off all day. She's very active, full of energy. Yeah, for that little girl that she is, and she's right there saying, I remember that from yesterday, Mum, and I can go back over there again. And then I can make my way to you again. Can't you? Hey? What do you think? I'm just trying to get it to unblur. But she'll move and she'll come back. Go and play. Just play. She says, no, I want you to stay on there. I do. You got that whole thing to climb on. And you want to climb on the camera instead, and it is. That's exactly what she wants to do. Yeah, this is the fun and games that I have with my snakes. Is all these little bits and pieces when I get them out. You know, not just doing a video because there's something to learn about them or anything, because it's fun and games with them. And right now you're relying on my finger a lot, actually, for you being up there, because those leaves aren't very supportive. She'll figure that out, of course. No. Here we go again. Sorry, I'm going to be bringing you up, bringing you down, and all around, while this girl decides where she's going to go. I tell you, the game, they honestly are. This is why you've got to watch them and certainly keep them safe, because sometimes they just make boo-boos. They think that they're clever and they're not as clever as what they really are. Or maybe it's me. Maybe I underestimate their abilities, and yeah, don't give them a little bit more smarts. But snakes can get into trouble. Snakes can fall. Snakes can hurt themselves. And this little girl, oh my goodness, look at her. What's the next thing that I can move on to and go climb? Like, no, Apani, you're not allowed. You're a little girl. You're a total little girl. She says, hang on, Mum, I'm over a year old now. I'm not a baby anymore. But when you look at her, that is all I see. This is what I mean about a baby. My little girl. A little baby. Keeping my eye on her all of the time and seeing where she's at, because she disappears. Totally disappears. Jack, well, he's up there in his hammock and that light's in the way from the window. But there he is, up there chilling out. He was fed a couple of nights ago, so he should be looking at having digested. And Lily has got a full belly and shed, so she'll be out either tonight or tomorrow night. And here we go. We come back. We found Mum. Hey? And who says snakes are terrified of us and that we need to be terrified of them and that they don't want to be with us, that they just want to be left alone? Ha! You tell them, Apani, that's a load of hogwash, isn't it? Because this is what you did to Mum all day yesterday. Well, not all day, but a good couple of hours. That's all she did. Was come on over and hop on me and check things out. And again. And I'm just doing this so you see that I will put it back, and it'll be again and again and again. So now it's possibly, let's see, I'll come at her from another angle and she might not know that I'm here. Oh my goodness, Apani. You are something else. Okay? You really are. So, let's start again. And, I don't know. Will we start from up that end? What do you think? Okay. Let's see. She just keeps exploring over there. Well, Miss Apani, I don't think you're ever going to be the size of a jungle python, sweetie. Would you? It's my new tea cup, though it's a mug. But yeah, I stored that the other day, and I like it. I like using it. Can get plenty of tea in there. Apani's usual spot. I gave up putting her on the jungle gym because she just wants to be up here with me. So that's where she's going to stay. Bye. So guys, before this video ends up being an hour long, which it could be, because, you know, like I said, she'll be out for a couple of hours and I could just keep yabbering and talking to her and doing what I do, but it would get rather boring for you guys to listen to me having a conversation with a snake for a couple of hours. But yeah, she's cheeky. So guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes. Ciao.